Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a low-cost amplifier installation. So the customer wanted to have an amp installed and found the best deal in the market to do that. The thing is that the system was installed this way. So we have the power wire comes from the side panel instead of through the firewall, clean and nice. The wire to the back obviously is not ran clean. We don't even use here wires that are not standard wires in vehicles, usually more in buses. In the back, they opened everything, which you should open to run everything nice and clean, but obviously running the wire through a power, through metal, sharp areas, not clean, not nice. The installers used they actually cut the factory amplifier to bypass it. Unfortunately, in this case, they had to have the amplifier working, so everything has to be redone. So, amplifier installation, as much as it sounds like we only just run in wires, there's a way to do it and the way to do it correctly. And that way you protect yourself from any issues, any problems, any fire issues. This is a 5000 watt amplifier. And the wires that they ran to the back is 8 gauge wire. Now the problem is that it's not thick enough, and the heat of it might overload, might burn the chances are it will burn the wire. At the same time, you can burn other stuff in the car. So to have an amplifier done correctly, it's always good to use a professional. You can always call us at Car System Installation. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.